Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter Roblox star code. So here's how it works. When you go and purchase Robux, I'm going to click on the Robux button here. When you go and purchase Robux, you will click on the amount, and from this page where you will be able to select your payment method, you will see click here to add a star code. So once you click on this button, it's going to make a new screen pop up or a new field support a star. Enter a star code to support your favorite star. They will earn 5% of your purchase and you will keep the Robux you paid for. So basically, you will get or give 5% of the Robux to the star here that you are supporting. It won't take it out of your total, so don't worry about that. So you will just type out the code, you will click on add, and if this is a valid code, they will receive 5% and you won't lose any Robux. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.